Hey guys, and welcome back to the Tutorial Millennial channel. In this video, I will be showing you how you can make your Instagram stories look more high def, I guess, HD. So if you go to your profile, go to these three lines, go to settings, and go to account. And you are going to go to mobile data use. And as you can see, when data saver is turned on, videos will load in advance to help you use less data. And high resolution media, never you're going to choose that, and you are going to choose mobile plus Wi-Fi. So for instance, you are going to upload with your data or Wi-Fi, the picture will have a better quality, but if you don't want to use your data, you can use a Wi-Fi only. And you can also turn off data saver. I keep on trying, like my mind keeps saying like data server. It's data saver, and it'll make your pics have a more high resolution. I'm so sorry. And that is basically it. I hope this tutorial was helpful. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I will try my best to answer them all. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!